Welcome to our road test of our 2014 14 plate Bentley Continental GT Speed. We've got 47,600 miles on the clock and we are just having a poodle up the road just to make sure that it's all driving as you would expect a Bentley to drive, and it absolutely does. Lovely smooth gear changes, dashboard's all nice and clear, no warning lights. Very, very nice car indeed. This is the ultimate example of the ultimate example, this car. It is fantastic. It drives superbly, it looks amazing. The previous owner, who has owned it for just under 3 years, has spared absolutely no expense in maintaining and looking after the car. The pedigree itself, history-wise, is impeccable anyway, but it's certainly in the last 2.5 to 3 years, it has had money thrown at it whenever it required. It had a massive service 2 years ago. It's all been looked after by Colbrook's Rolls-Royce and Bentley specialists, by the way, since our customers' ownership. They've taken care of everything on it, maintenance, fixes and so forth. It had a huge service when the customer first bought it, full front to back, everything you can possibly imagine, totaling a significant amount of money. I'll detail everything in the advert. I could go on about everything it's had forever. It's had a uprated and replacement boot lids mechanism and motor, so the electronic boot lid is all working perfectly. It's also had the high level brake light replaced. A couple of diodes were out on it, so that's been done. The list of maintenance and looking after tyres, it's got Pirelli P0s all round on it. It's had a very recent pair on the back of P0s, so they're all bang up to date. We have 3 keys for it, which includes the valet key, as you call it. Spec wise, it is absolutely loaded. You name it, it's got it. It's also got the space saver spare. It also comes with the red brake calipers, and it's got adaptive cruise control in addition as well. I could wax lyrical about the car all day long. It drives superbly. It clearly goes like the clappers because it is the speed, so you're talking in excess of 600 brake horsepower. So performance wise it wants for nothing, but it will potter along all day long as you want it to. Everything is first class and working in good order. It even has, I'll show you there, look, the Bentley removable mobile, all in the centre console. I don't imagine anybody's ever even sat in the back, and the front seats are practically like new as well. It's got the lovely quilted, vented, cross-stitched leather as well. All your climate, you name it, it's got it. DAB, touchscreen, which is nav as well. A phenomenal car, absolutely brilliant, and you would not be disappointed if you came to see it, let alone bought it. Really wouldn't. I'll put all information about the car, its history and so forth up in our advert, plus there are a massive amount of photographs that I've taken. There's also the video walk around, which is extensive as well, but bear with it, it's worth looking at, because if you are interested in it, you'll want to look at it all. There's pictures under the bonnet, it's lovely and clean and mint under there as well. But yeah, all information's up on the website. But if there is anything that I've missed, or there's anything that in particular you would like to know, then please do feel free to contact us anytime. I would also add, we do have a delivery service that we offer. We run our own vehicle transporter, so if you're interested in the car and you wanted it delivered, we have the option available to do that using our vehicle transporter, so it would not have to be driven either. Enjoy the photos and the video. As I say, please do contact us if you require any further information.